The global economic landscape is changing. African economies are no longer on the periphery. They are emerging as significant players, poised to reshape global markets. This shift is driven by a potent combination of factors. A young and growing population provides a vibrant workforce. Abundant natural resources offer valuable commodities. The implementation of the African Continental Free Trade Area, or AfCFTA, marks a pivotal step towards economic integration. This ambitious agreement aims to create a single market across 54 African countries. It promises to unlock immense potential for growth and development. The AfCFTA is not just about boosting trade within Africa, it is about enhancing Africa's position in the global market. By reducing trade barriers and promoting intra-African trade, the continent can strengthen its manufacturing base. This will enable African nations to move beyond exporting raw materials. Instead, they can focus on adding value to their products and moving up the global value chain. This transformation has profound implications for global trade flows and investment patterns. The world is taking notice of Africa's economic dynamism. Intra-regional trade is key to unlocking Africa's economic potential. Currently, African nations primarily trade with countries outside the continent. This dependence on external markets leaves them vulnerable to global price fluctuations and economic shocks. By increasing trade among themselves, African countries can reduce this dependency. This will create a more resilient and integrated African market. Strategic investments are crucial for fostering this transformation. Infrastructure development is paramount. Efficient transportation networks, reliable energy grids, and modern communication systems are essential for facilitating trade and economic activity. Investments in these areas will not only enhance regional connectivity, but also attract foreign direct investment. Furthermore, supporting the growth of small and medium-sized enterprises, or SMEs, is vital. SMEs are the backbone of many African economies, driving innovation, creating jobs, and contributing to economic diversification. Despite the immense potential, challenges remain. Africa's reliance on commodity exports is a major concern. Price volatility in global commodity markets can severely impact African economies. Diversifying exports and moving towards higher value-added products is essential for building economic resilience. This requires investing in education and skills development to equip the workforce for a more diversified economy. Infrastructure gaps pose another significant hurdle. Inadequate transportation, energy, and communication infrastructure hinders trade, increases costs, and limits economic growth. Bridging these gaps requires substantial investment, both from African governments and international partners. Addressing governance issues is equally critical. Transparency, accountability, and the rule of law are essential for creating a conducive business environment and attracting investment. Amidst these challenges lie significant opportunities. Africa is witnessing rapid technological advancement, particularly in mobile technology and digital financial services. Embracing these technologies can revolutionize various sectors, from agriculture to healthcare, and drive economic growth. Furthermore, Africa's youthful population presents a demographic dividend. Harnessing this potential through education and skills development can create a dynamic and productive workforce. Diversifying exports beyond commodities is crucial. Africa has the potential to become a major player in sectors such as manufacturing, agro-processing, and tourism. Developing these sectors will create jobs, boost incomes, and reduce reliance on volatile commodity markets. Forming strategic global partnerships is essential for attracting investment, acquiring technology, and accessing new markets. By collaborating with international partners, African nations can accelerate their economic development and enhance their global competitiveness. Africa stands at a crossroads. The continent has the potential to become a major engine of global economic growth. Realizing this potential requires a multifaceted approach, focusing on intra-African trade, investing strategically in infrastructure and human capital, addressing governance challenges, and embracing technological advancements are all critical pieces of the puzzle. By taking decisive action, African nations can unlock a future of sustainable growth and shared prosperity. The projected GDP growth rates for Africa are encouraging. The International Monetary Fund estimates that sub-Saharan Africa will grow by an average of 3.7% in 2023 and 4% in 2024. This growth is driven by a combination of factors, including rising commodity prices, increased investment, and growing consumer demand. While challenges remain, the overall outlook for Africa's economic future is positive. By embracing the opportunities before them, African nations can shape their own destiny and become major players in the global market. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button to stay updated with our latest content.